To craft a catapult, gather an adhesive tube, a piece of paper, popsicle sticks, and rubber bands. First, bind 2 popsicle sticks with rubber bands. Then, bundle 4 popsicle sticks together, securing both ends with rubber band. Insert the bundle horizontally between the 2 bound sticks. Next, create a small tray from the paper and affix it to a stick using adhesive. Load the tray with small objects and press down on the stick's end to launch them. For variation, replace the paper tray with a spoon and observe the catapult in action.